Verizon LTE Only Mode restricts your device to using only the 4G LTE network, bypassing 5G or older 3G networks. This can be useful for extending battery life, especially in areas with spotty 5G coverage, or ensuring a stable connection for specific applications. It essentially forces your phone to only connect to LTE cell towers and prevents it from trying to use 5G. One key reason to use LTE only mode is to improve battery life. LTE generally consumes less power than 5G, helping your device last longer between charges. Second, LTE only mode provides a more stable connection in areas where 5G signal is weak or inconsistent, preventing your device from constantly switching between networks. Third, LTE only mode is beneficial for older devices that don't support 5G, ensuring they can still connect reliably to Verizon's network. Finally, some IoT and industrial applications prefer the reliability and lower latency of LTE over the potentially higher but more variable speeds of 5G. For example, in rural areas, LTE only mode provides 99.9% uptime for farming IoT. Compatibility for LTE only mode depends on the specific device and its software version. Most Verizon certified devices support this feature. This includes smartphones, hotspots, and IoT modules that are certified for Verizon networks. LTE only mode is typically enabled through access point name settings, carrier applications, or device menu options. To confirm compatibility, always check your device's user manual or visit Verizon's support website for the latest information. For example, Verizon's LTE-M IoT modules like this M2M communicator support LTE-only configurations for industrial applications. Smartphones can access LTE-only mode through APN settings in the network configuration menu. Hotspots and other IoT devices also support LTE-only mode, as shown in Verizon's mobile IoT offerings. On most Android phones, you can enable LTE-only mode through the settings menu. This process is straightforward and works on Verizon-compatible Android devices. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Next, scroll through the Settings menu and select Network and Internet, or sometimes called Connections on some devices. This section controls all your wireless connectivity options. Within Network and Internet, tap on Mobile Network or Cellular Networks, depending on your device model. This is where you manage your cellular connection preferences. In the Mobile Network settings, find the option called Preferred Network Type or Network Mode. This setting controls which cellular technologies your phone will use. Finally, from the list of network type options, select LTE only or simply LTE. This will restrict your phone to Verizon's LTE network only, disabling 5G and other connections. Your phone may restart to apply the changes. Keep in mind that menu names might vary slightly between different Android manufacturers like Samsung, Google Pixel, or OnePlus, but the general navigation path remains the same. There's also an advanced method involving modifying access point name settings, but this is generally recommended only for experienced users as incorrect APN changes can affect your cellular connectivity. Remember to restart your Android device after selecting LTE only to ensure the network changes take effect properly. For advanced users, you can configure APN settings to force LTE only connectivity. APN stands for Access Point Name, which is a gateway setting that defines how your device connects to Verizon's network. The standard Verizon LTE APN is VZ Winternet. This is the default setting that allows your device to connect to Verizon's LTE network. To ensure LTE-only connectivity, you may need to modify these settings to disable 5G roaming parameters. This prevents your device from switching to 5G networks. Keep in mind that incorrect APN settings can prevent your device from connecting to the network, so proceed with caution. Always back up your current settings before making changes. If you're experiencing issues with LTE-only mode, start by checking your location. Ensure you're in an area with strong LTE coverage, as weak signals can cause connection problems. If you've modified your APN settings, double-check them to make sure they're correct for Verizon's LTE network. Incorrect settings can prevent proper connectivity. A simple restart can often fix temporary issues. Turn your device off, wait a moment, and then turn it back on before trying to connect again. If the problem continues, reach out to Verizon support for personalized help. They can check your account and network settings. A common troubleshooting scenario involves Pixel 8 phones experiencing 5G-related signal drops. Switching to LTE Only Mode can provide a stable connection in these cases. While LTE Only Mode can be helpful now, Verizon plans to phase out LTE in favor of 5G standalone networks by 2030. This means LTE Only Mode is a transitional tool. Expect Verizon to shift towards hybrid modes, combining 5G with LTE fallback, and AI-driven network optimization where devices intelligently select the best network mode. It is predicted that by 2027, there will be a 30% drop in LTE usage, and by 2028, APN-based LTE controls will start to be phased out.